This is a room tour at Delano, 2 queen standard room 37904. Walk in, and the first thing you come to is your little guest bathroom. And it has a vanity and some soap and lotion and the toilet, of course. And then you come into the living room area. TV, work desk with plenty of charging ports. And this is the view from the living room. You can see some of the strip and part of Delano. We're on the 37th floor. Air conditioning sit at 65. We got a couch, little coffee table, chair. Over here is your wet bar, ice bucket. The pink donuts did not come with the room, nor did the adult Capri Sun. We got those to go. And of course the mini fridge, but we won't be touching that. You walk into the bedroom area. 2 queens, very nice. An area where you can sit and put your shoes on. Of course, another TV. There is a closet right here. Hangers, ironing board. If you're lucky, you'll get a room and there will be included a child that's standing in the corner looking at the wall, or an adult man. You might get upgraded. That's an upgrade. You get a bonus nick. Over here is the second closet. Hangers also, your safe, and some drawers. And into the very nice big bathroom, very big mirror area. His and her sinks. Remote for this TV. Hair dryer. Very, very big tub. I will utilize that tonight. Your shower, of course. And another restroom area, and a very big full-length mirror. Really, really nice. I got this upgraded. I had a standard room at Mandalay, and they upgraded us to Delano for my birthday. So this was a room tour at the Delano. You tell me in the comments. And if you like this, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.